students, how are you doing? I hope you all are fit and fine and utilizing your time at home. Okay, students, today we will start our chapter number 4 of course book. Okay, but before starting, I want to know something. Students, who is your favorite companion? आई मीन टू से आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कौन है जिसकी आप कंपनी करना चाहते हैं, जिसके साथ आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहते हैं. यस, एवरीवन हैज अ फेवरेट कंपेनियन. आई ऑल्सो हैव. डू यू नो हु इज माई फेवरेट कंपेनियन? माई सिस्टर. आई ऑलवेज एंजॉय हर कंपनी. Students, the poem which we are going to read today is also about something like that. Favorite companion. Okay. Do you want to read? Let us start. And the name of the poem is Puppy and I. It is written by A. Milne. Students, this poem is about a little boy who meets a man, a horse and a puppy while walking one day. Okay, students, and to know who the speaker likes for his company, let us read the poem.
I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. Students, here is the first stanza of the poem. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. At first, the boy met a man while walking and then they started talking. Who started talking? Man and the boy. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. He asked the man where he was going. Because the man was going somewhere, so the boy asked him where he was going. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. The man replied that he was going down to the village to buy some bread. The man asked the boy that whether he would like to go with him, but the boy denied and said no. मीन्स वॉकिंग करते हुए बॉय को कौन मिलता है? एक मैन. और फिर वो उस मैन से पूछता है कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. देन द मैन रिप्लाइड कि वो विलेज में जा रहा है ब्रेड लेने के लिए. और फिर वो उससे पूछता है कि क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे. एट दिस द बॉय डिनाइड. वो मना कर देता है. एंड हियर इज द सेकेंड स्टेंजा. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Then the little boy met with the horse and they started talking. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. The boy asked him the same question, that where he was going. He asked this from the horse because he was going somewhere. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. The horse replied that he was going to the village to get some hay. Hay means dried grass that is used for animals' food. The horse offered the boy to accompany him, but the boy said no. Means अब boy को कौन मिलता है? One horse. और बॉय उससे सेम क्वेश्चन करता है कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. एट दिस द हॉर्स रिप्लाइड कि वो हे लेने के लिए विलेज में जा रहा है. व्हाट इज़ हे? हे मीन्स ड्राइड ग्रास. और फिर हॉर्स जो है वो बॉय से पूछता है कि क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे, मेरी कंपनी करना चाहोगे. एट दिस बॉय डिनाइड. बॉय जो है वो मना कर देता है. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेंजा. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. And now the boy met a puppy and they started talking to each other. Where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. The boy asked the same question from the puppy also. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. The puppy replied that he was going up in the hills to roll and play. The puppy was going to enjoy in the hills, and without any delay, the boy said in excitement that he would also go with the puppy to roll and play. मीन्स अब बॉय को कौन मिलता है? एक पपी. और वो पपी से क्वेश्चन करता है कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. एट दिस द पपी रिप्लाइड कि मैं हिल्स में मीन्स पहाड़ियों में खेलने और घूमने जा रहा हूँ. फिर क्या होता है? बॉय पपी की बात सुनते ही क्या बोलता है कि मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा. आई विल ऑल्सो एन्जॉय विद यू.
Students, I hope you all have understood the poem very well. Now it's time to do book exercise. Okay, let us start. In exercise A, we have to choose the correct answer. There are some sentences given. Let us start. Number 1, the man was going to the city to buy bread. Was the man going to the city to buy bread? No, he was going to the village. So, wrong. Number 2, the horse was rude to the poet. No, he was not rude. The puppy was an old friend of the poet. Puppy जो है poet का old friend था. No, so wrong. The poet wanted to play, so he went off with the puppy. Poet को खेलना था इसलिए वो puppy के साथ चला गया. True. Okay. In exercise B, there are 2 questions. We have to answer these questions. Number 1, why did the poet not go with the man and the horse? Because he did not want to go with them. Number 2, who did the poet agree to go with? Why? The poet agreed to go with the puppy because he also wanted to play and roll in the hills. Okay.
Say these words aloud. Write them in the correct columns. Students, here are some words given to us. Now we have to put them in correct column. What we have to do? Listen. Students, first word is man, second is bag, and third one is sail. Fourth, lane. Students, now see the difference. The difference is the sound of A. Now, what we have to do? We have to write the words that have A sound as in sail. जैसे सेल में ए की साउंड है, इस टाइप के वर्ड्स को हमें लेफ्ट साइड में राइट करना है. और राइट साइड में हमें वर्ड्स दैट हैव ए साउंड एज इन मैन. जैसे मैन में ए की साउंड है मैन. इस टाइप के वर्ड्स को हमें कहाँ लिखना है? राइट साइड में. ओके. नाउ ट्राई टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज एंड देन मैच विद द आंसर की. In each row, circle the opposite of the highlighted word. Remember, we have to circle the opposite. Number 1 is nice. Nice means good, so its opposite will be bad. Number 2 is weak, kamjor, so its opposite will be strong. Number 3, late. Its opposite will be early. Number 4, below. Below means under, so its opposite is above. Number 5, right. Everyone knows its opposite is wrong. Each word in column B has two meanings. They are given in columns A and C. Match the words to their respective meanings. Students, there are three columns A, B and C. In the column B, there are some words given and these words have two meanings. First one in column A and second one in the column C. Now we have to match the words with their meanings. Okay, like number one is ring. Ring means in column A phone call and in column C a circle. ओके, रिंग एक फ़ोन कॉल को भी कहा जाता है और एक सर्कल को भी. नाउ फाइन. फाइन मीन्स बी इन गुड कंडीशन एंड इट्स अनदर मीनिंग इज पेमेंट मेड फॉर ब्रेकिंग अ रूल. एक रूल तोड़ने पे आपको फाइन पे करना पड़ता है ना. येस, द सेम वन इज दैट फाइन. नंबर 3 प्ले. फर्स्ट वन इज participate in a game or sport, play, and the second one is a skit, means role play. Number 3 right. Right, left, right is a direction and its another meaning is correct. And the next one is fair. Fair means having light skin and its another meaning is just, means okay. Fair means okay, just also means okay. And the last one, can. A tin. Tin means a cold drink can. And the second one, to be able to do something, ability, can. Make two sentences with each of these words to bring out their different meanings. Dear students, now you know the two meanings of these words. What you have to do, you have to make two sentences of different meanings. Like first one is play. तो प्ले के आपने टू मीनिंग्स आपको पता चल चुके हैं. नाउ यू हैव टू मेक टू सेंटेंसेस. दोनों मीनिंग्स के आपने वन सेंटेंस मेक करना है. लाइक आई लव टू प्ले क्रिकेट एंड द सेकेंड वन इज आई विल पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट प्ले.
Students, you all know about singular nouns and plural nouns. Today we will learn about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What are countable nouns? Nouns that can be counted with numbers are called countable nouns. जिन्हें numbers में count किया जा सके. Like 1 bag, 2 chocolates, 3 boys. These are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Some nouns cannot be counted with numbers. Like sugar, milk. हम बोलते हैं 1 sugar, 3 milk. No. To show their quantity, we use 3 packets of sugar, 1 glass of milk, है ना. So these are called uncountable nouns that cannot be counted with numbers.
Circle the countable nouns with a red crayon and the uncountable nouns with a blue crayon. Students, now you know what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns. Now read these words and complete this exercise. Write a paragraph on your favorite game. You may use these clues. Students, now what you have to do, you have to write a paragraph. And the topic for the paragraph is your favorite game. Okay, now you can use the clues given here. First one is name of the game, when do you play it, with whom do you play, are you a good or bad player. So by using these clues, write a paragraph in your grammar notebook.
Dear students, I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Now it's your turn. Complete the book work, do the given homework in notebook. Okay, bye bye.